MashaAllah, Masjid Qiblatain. MashaAllah. So you can see Uhud ka pahar is right there. A little hard to see it, but that's basically Uhud. And this is Masjid Qiblatain. This is where we pray to change from Masjid Al-Aqsa to Masjid Al-Haram and Kaaba. MashaAllah. So we're gonna go to the men's entrance here. There used to be markets over here, from what I remember. Looks like they removed all of them. I'll just give you guys like a full detailed walkthrough. So this is the men's entrance right here. Madkhal al-Rajal. Inshallah. There used to be markets over here. I remember there used to be markets over here. So men's entrance right here. Inshallah. And we're gonna look for the wuzu. Okay, so wuzu is on the right side and then the prayer is on the left. So I already have wuzu, but if you wanted to, you can do wuzu over there, but we're gonna go inside and pray, inshallah. So you can see men's prayer is up here and you follow these stairs up basically. And it feels like I was just here yesterday, mashallah. Kharuj is on the left side. And this is where you pray, mashallah. You can see there's a rooftop up there too. Rooftop terrace, mashallah. We're going to go inside the masjid, inshallah. So they have these like cubbies you can put your shoes in. And mashallah, there's another view. And we're just going to enter. MashaAllah. I prayed a Jummah here once, mashallah. Such a beautiful masjid. Look at the chandelier, mashallah. So the prayer times. You don't have to pray 2 rakat here, but I will. Just because, again, additional ibadah is always good. So I'm going to do 2 rakat here, inshallah, and then we're going to go to the exterior and kind of walk around.
जाते हुए देखा है गरीबों को मदीने पास करोड़ों तो बुलाए नहीं जाते कहाँ का मनसब कहाँ की दौलत कसम खुदा की ये है हकीकत जिन्हें बुलाया है मुस्तफ़ा ने वही मदीने को जा रहे हैं जैसे चाहा दर वे बुला लिया जैसे चादर पे बुला लिया जिसे चाहा अपना बना लिया जिसे चाहा अपना बना लिया ये बड़े करम के हैं फैसले ये बड़े करम के हैं फैसले ये बड़े नसीब की बात है सल्लो अलैहि व आलिहि खुदा खुदा का यही है दर नहीं
Just leaving Masjid Qiblatain right now. I'm going to walk around the exterior a little bit and then inshallah I'm going to head to Masjid Qiblatain after. So this is the rooftop like theirs. They're building, mashallah, painting it all white. And I can't imagine during the summertime it must be really tough to, you know, be on your bare feet praying up here. Mashallah. Going through the exit right now, mashallah, and I'm just going to show you a little bit around the outside of Masjid Qiblatain. So you can see the expansion right here, mashallah. A little hard to see it, but it's a very big masjid, mashallah, and fully bright white. And I want to show you the front view. So they're building something over here too, mashallah, but I want to show you the front view of the masjid, so you have an idea of, like, you know, how to spot it while you're in Medina. So this is the parking area right here. You can take one of these bikes. They have these Korean bikes, which are pretty cool, but it's a little too hot, in my opinion, to be riding bikes right now, in my opinion. But this right here, mashallah, very beautiful side view, side profile of Masjid Qiblatain. Let me come up a little bit closer, a little bit farther rather, so you guys can see a little bit better view, inshallah. But here we go, Masjid Qiblatain, and I'm gonna walk that way. So yeah, there used to be markets all over here. They used to sell stuff, but they removed all those. And this is the whole area of Masjid Qiblatain, mashallah. Very, very bright and sunny. But you can see the dome. Masjid Qiblatain, mashallah. Man, it's really hot today.